Hello and welcome. I want you to see what happens when you try to use Blender 2.8, which is currently still unstable and in development, with Unity. When you drag in a 3D model, a blend file that you made with Blender 2.8, and you just drag it into Unity, then this happens. When you try to actually drag it into the scene, you see an invisible object. It has only a transform, it's like an empty, there is no 3D model, no mesh. And this is what happens if you still have Blender 2.7 assigned as the default handler for .blend files. Because there's this weird thing in Unity, you have to assign the file types for Unity to be able to import blend files. It's a bit weird, but that's how it is. So what happens if you actually tell Windows to use Blender 2.8 as the .blend file handler? As you can see, an error message is displayed. Blender could not convert the .blend file to FBX file. So as you can see, at least with a version of Blender 2.8 that I used, which is from 2018, mid-December, it does not work, neither with using Blender 2.7 to import the files, nor using Blender 2.8 to import the files. And what you can do is export the files as .obj files or Collada files or whatever other export 3D format in Blender, but .blend files don't actually work this way. If you have any other solutions or different error messages or problems, let us know in the comments. Let's just get all the info there is about 2.8 compatibility with Unity and get it into the comments so people can come here to find solutions to a problem and quickly find out whether or not it is possible to use Unity and Blender 2.8 yet together. I hope soon, because Blender 2.8 just looks nice.